This is nice.
You like it?
I like it.
Okay.
I think it's real. Let's see.
Did you hear how he presented to her the drawings of the engagement ring in a PowerPoint presentation? This is the moment that I knew he was the one for her.
I get to experience all that warmth.
I think they're both extremely lucky to have found each other, and with my whole heart, wish both of them the best.
Put your hands together for the reason we are all here. Let's make some noise for Mr. and Mrs. Patel!
I've just seen over the years how much she cares about her friends and family.
Stand tall now, for goodness sake.
But will someone put this on for me? Yeah, once after.
Today, Alina and Patrick embody this profound connection. Their coming together is a testament to the universe's enduring capacity to create love and meaning from the cosmic dust from which we all originate. Home is not from where you are from. It is where you belong. Some of us travel the whole world to find it. Others find it in a person.
I heard her. I know she's back there somewhere. Hey, wow. Baby, you look amazing.
So do you.
You look beautiful.
So do you. You look great.
Oh my God. This is amazing. You happy?
Are you?
Yeah.
I love how good of a person he is. I love how kind he is. I really love that he lets me be me. He wants me to be so happy, and he will do anything within his power to make me happy, and that's really incredible.
Dear Patrick, you have one of the best hearts of anyone that I've met in a person. Your love feels like sunlight, and it has allowed me to blossom into the kind of person that I had always wanted to be.
Alina, I've been asked many times to tell a story of how I fell in love with you, but it's not one story. I've fallen in love with you over and over again for so many different reasons.
When I saw you standing,
I get to know about your charm, your charisma, all your many talents, and even silly things like your affinity for puns, which is the one flaw I've found so far. This was attached to the wine bottle that we drank on our first date. These are the tickets from the museum when we went on our second date. And I kept these things because I just always knew we'd be here.
You told me this before, not just today, that I have helped you learn how to be a better friend, but you have helped me how to become a better person. I vow to truly love you and build this future together with you, brick by brick.
The light that you shine on the world around you, that light shines perpetually on me, now to you.
Alina and Patrick, by the power vested in me, with our guests and the cosmos as witness, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss.
I feel it in my speakers. I've never felt this
Alina draws people towards her and emits this glow and happiness. I mean, really, look at her right now. Have you seen a more beautiful bride? I mean, seriously.
For fun, Alina also enjoyed being a Girl Scout and gained the Gold Award and was an accomplished English-style equestrian. Beyond all those educational and personal accomplishments, she's a very loving, caring daughter, sister, and a close, dear friend to me.
No, seriously, we were really excited about throwing a party like this because we knew that everyone that we loved, you were gonna look amazing, you were gonna come and celebrate us, and we're so honored and so blessed that you traveled to be here to be with us on this really special day.
Pardon my French, but damn, Patrick, pulling those like mementos from the first date, dude. I mean, come on. Can we hear it for Patrick, please? That is some serious husbanding right there, day one, all right? He is a true friend and ally in life, and that's not easy to come by. I myself have witnessed how Alina and Patrick have supported each other and rallied to each other's causes. You know, so I can't imagine two luckier people, right? You're there for each other, and that again isn't something that we're all lucky enough to have.
I am looking forward to wearing a ring and just letting people know that I am committed to her 100%.
Yeah, I'm excited to get to tell people he's my husband and that we're married. That's always really fun.
Love is a promise. Love is a souvenir. Once given, never forgotten, never let it disappear. Bright are the stars that shine, dark is the sky. I know this love of mine will never die, and I love her. Cheers to Alina and Patrick.